Good day everyone, you are welcome to GIS Solution channel. In this video, I want to take you through the introduction to ModelBuilder in ArcGIS Pro. ModelBuilder in ArcGIS Pro is a powerful visual programming tool that allows users to create, manage, and automate geospatial workflows by using a simple drag and drop interface. User can build models that integrate various GIS tools and data, promoting efficiency in spatial analysis. So ModelBuilder essentially enables the automation of repetitive tasks, making it easier to perform complex analysis without extensive coding knowledge. So this functionality is particularly useful for managing large data sets and streamlining workflow, allowing GIS professionals to focus on analysis and decision making. Additionally, models can be shared and reused, enhancing collaboration and consistency in project execution across teams. So in this video, I want to take you through the introduction to ModelBuilder in ArcGIS Pro. For example, I have this data, which is Nigerian river, and I have this Abuja boundary. So in a situation where I want to clip only the river that fall within this Abuja boundary using ModelBuilder, let me show you how to get it done in ArcGIS Pro using ModelBuilder. So to do that, come to this function called analysis. When you click on it, you will see ModelBuilder. So click on ModelBuilder. When you click on it, it will open a blank model for you like this. In this exercise I want to use to introduce you to ModelBuilder, I want to clip the river that are within the boundary of Abuja. And to do that, the first thing to do, after you have opened the ModelBuilder interface like this, come to analysis and click on tools. Here, search for clip. When you search for clip, it will bring the clip tools. So what you can do is to drag and drop the tool inside the model. So once you do that, you can see the clip tool has been added to the model. So what we want to do now is to bring the river and the boundary into the model as well. So the river and the boundary are the data sets. So I will click and drag the river, that is the Nigerian river, into the model just like this. Then I'll also bring the Abuja boundary into the model. We have the model and we brought in the tool. Then we have also brought in the data set into the model. Now what we can do, after you brought in your data into the model, so you will need to connect the data set to the tool. So which means we are adding the data set into the tool. So what to do, just click and drag to draw an arrow into the tool. So it has connected the data to the tool, which is clip we want to use. Now we have to specify that this very river, that is Nigeria river, is the input features. Click on input features. So it has recognized it as the input feature. Then this Abuja boundary, which is the boundary within which we want to clip the river. So click and drag also to the clip, that is the clip tool. Then click on clip feature to specify that the Abuja boundary is our clip feature. So you can see that our model has been specified here. Now if you, let me close this geoprocessing tool. If you look at it, we have the input data set, which is Nigeria rivers, and we have the extent we want to clip, which is Abuja boundary. So the output, which is output features or data set, you can rename it. So to rename it, right click and click on rename. So you can rename it. Let's rename it as Abuja river. So we have renamed our output. Now the next thing we can do is to come to this model builder. When you come to model builder, we can fit to window. This is it, it will fit to window. And to polish our model, we can click on auto layout. So when you click on auto layout, it will arrange the model in a sequential manner, the way it's supposed to be. So for example, if I click on auto layout, you can see it has arranged it in a more appealing way, such that from here I can even zoom it. I can zoom it for you to see it properly. This is the beauty of model. You can see the way it is. Nigeria rivers, we want to clip out the rivers that fall within Abuja boundary, and our output should be named Abuja rivers. Now after you have specified it like this, then come to model builder again, and you can of course validate it to verify all elements or parameter values are valid by clicking on validate. So it will show you if there is error or if it is valid. In this case, you can see a green tick, meaning that our model is valid, all elements are valid. Now to run it and see the result, just click on run. It's running, it will generate the results. You can see that it is done successfully. So you can now click on close. So you can see it has clipped it as Nigeria river clip, and it has added it to the table of contents. Now come back to map. If you look at it, you can see, let me uncheck this Nigeria river. You can see it here. The river has been clipped. The one within Abuja has been clipped, and you can see it. So model builder essentially helps you to streamline your workflow. You can see that it's easier after you have built your model. It's just a matter of click and it will run and give you your results. And one of the benefits of model builder is that you can share the model and reuse it, which adds collaboration and consistency in project execution across teams. So in brief, this is essentially how to run or create models in Model Builder embedded in ArcGIS Pro. So in the subsequent video, we will take you through on how to create models for complex spatial analysis to streamline your workflow. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.